The Congress Legislature Party meeting that was held today, the 18th of August 2021, had discussed a lot of issues pertaining to the recent law and order situation in the state of Meghalaya. Briefing the media after the meeting, the CLP leader Dr. Mukul Sangma, while referring to the recent incident that had taken place in the state capital of Shillong, outrightly proclaimed that the state is not in safe hands. He, however, went on to say that changing the government is not the ultimate solution to bringing about peace in the already disturbed scenario, but instead a change in leadership should take place, especially in the larger interest of the people of the state.
Dismissing the government is not the ultimate solution. Question of, let us be blunt. Since we are saying that the state is not in safe hands, I have given you an example of a reckless driver. Would you like to see? When somebody is driving and then he is not listening to you, your palpitation is going up, and then so you need to change the driver. Save the state. Not for the interest of Mukul Sangma or the members of the CLP, in the larger interest of the people of the state. To protect the interest of the state. The interest of the state, interest of the people should supersede everything else. Nothing else should supersede the interest of the state.
On the recent unfortunate incident of 13th August 2021, Dr. Mukul Sangma demanded that the government should set up an independent judicial inquiry so as to enable the public to have complete transparency over the circumstances that led to the death of the surrendered HNLC General Secretary. Sangma also stated that as per the government's reaction to the incident, it seems that the Chief Minister is already trying to influence the entire process of inquiry even before a judicial inquiry had been notified. This, Mukul Sangma stated, should not happen should anyone want the truth to surface. Sangma strongly asserted that in all matters, nothing or nobody should in any way supersede the interest of the state.
Now, when we are asking for an independent inquiry, that means we want the truth. And based on that, further course of action as per law must follow. Unfortunately, I have been following the news. The Chief Minister is already trying to influence the whole process of inquiry even before the notification to have that kind of independent inquiry. For that matter, a judicial inquiry has been notified. Nobody should try to influence the course of investigation if we want the truth to come out.